Hello everyone. Today video is all about stop studying 12 hours, 16 hours. Study with smart way. So you are thinking that 12 hours or 16 hour study daily way to crack exam. It's wrong. It's really wrong. Every student has a different body, different capacity and different environment. We are not living in the same environment, guys. We are in different. Okay. So it doesn't mean if someone study for 12 hour in library, you can study in a 12 hour at your home. It's not possible if you're living in a joint family. So today I will try to teach how to study with a deep focus without forcing yourself at sit for a long hours, full day. Simply, you have to set a first method, you have to set a clear goal. It doesn't mean I will complete a 5 chapter in a day. It means I will complete a 5 chapter by dividing, like I will complete a first chapter in morning, then afternoon may I will complete second, इस तरीके से. And you can furthermore divide into, like if the chapter have a case study or if you need a writing practice, then you can divide a slot of like if you are studying for 2 hours in a morning, then you can divide like 50 minute I will revise and 25 minute I will do writing practice, and apart remaining minutes I will do a case study. It is make you more uh, interactive study session, and also you got engaged, you don't got bored. Okay. And more again, the second point is study in a focus slot, not for the 12-hour marathon. It's really work for me. You can also try a 50 minute study करो and 10 minute break, and 25 minute study करो 5 minute break. And you can fix the target with this slot only, not for the whole day. Like what I did, if I'm sitting for the 5 hours or 2 hours for the study in a day, then I've decided it according to the slots. Like if my 50 minute of slot I will study, if 50 minute of slot I will study for the particular chapter, and then again for the 25 minute slot I will do the writing practice of such chapter. Then I will think that my chapter is properly completed. And again topic is a use a break correctly, means the 10-minute break, 5-minute break is if you are using it for the Instagram, YouTube, or scrolling or chatting, it doesn't work. Okay. Is such break you can use for walk, stretching, drinking water, close your eyes, breathing exercise if you feel so much anxiety like me. So do a breathing exercise because it's work for me. Yeah, literally work for me. And again prepare your environment, because in starting I already told you that everyone have a different body, have a different capacity, have a different mind, have a different environment to living, have a different each and everything. There is no similarity. So the most important, you have to keep your environment as per your requirement. For me, like I am living in a I live with my family, I study in at my house. So I prepare my environment accordingly. Like I don't use my phone when I'm studying. I use laptop, I use PC. eh, I put my phone in another room, and whatever I require during this day, like water, like my clean table, uh, everything. I stay keep my environment clean and keep everything whatever I needed in one place. Okay. Such easy to prepare your environment easily. ओके. एंड आफ्टर एंड लास्ट वन इज़ द रिवॉर्ड योर सेल्फ. इसके अलावा भी आप कोई और भी तरीके यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट 12 आवर स्टडी इज़ नॉट लाइक इफ़ इट्स वर्क फॉर यू, गो फॉर विथ इट, बट इट्स ओनली वर्क when you are following these 5 points. I'm not telling कि 12 hours study is not working, but it's work only if you're following this 5. Because if you walking like into a marathon, you will not going to succeed. Okay, so reward yourself का मतलब ये है कि after completing each task, whether it's a 50 minute of task, whether it's a 25 minute of a task, ठीक है, you have to give yourself reward, whether it's a small, like you tell yourself like कि yeah, I made it, I learned it, that's a good, say your name like Khushi, you did it better, you are good, great, appreciate yourself, give a chocolate if you love to eat. I'm allergic on, so I can't eat. So and this way you can did it. And most important thing, just read this, remember 4 hours of deep focus is better than to 14 hours of distracted study. जब हम पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जब हम 14 आवर्स 12 आवर्स एक ही बार में बैठते हैं पढ़ने के लिए विदाउट थिंकली वाइजली ब्रेक, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो 12 आवर्स पढ़ते वो ब्रेक नहीं लेते, लेते ब्रेक, बट वाइजली लो, वेगस ना करो हर चीज़ को, एम्बिग्यूटीज ना क्रिएट करो, प्लीज़ डोंट बी कंफ्यूज योर सेल्फ। सो वो बेटर है इफ़ यू 4D फोकस स्टडी कर रहे हो ओनली फॉर 2 आवर्स 3 आवर्स 4 आवर्स 5 आवर्स इन अ डे, इट्स मच बेटर देन अ 12 आवर्स ऑफ स्टडी। ओके, एंड the most important thing, it doesn't mean if you're studying for 12 hours it's a great, but if it great if you do a deep focus, ठीक है, and read this line, just read this line, your past failure are not the end, they are training for your comeback, and if you give your 100% now, then you will either win or learn. There's a no failure concept in life. It's a life. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give you a pravachan, but it's a life. Don't think a particular exam or particular something happen in your life or at every situation of your life. It's not going to make you weak. It will give you a strength for, it will prepare you for upcoming words of your life. Okay, so stay focused, stay learn, and don't disappreciate yourself कि यार मेरे से एग्ज़ाम नहीं हो रहा या मैं नहीं कर पा रहा, ऐसा कुछ भी don't think about it. Okay, just study but truthfully and friendly. Be truthfully of yourself is most beautiful thing God give you. So be truthful at least अपने आप से तो, ठीक है। सो बाय बाय, थैंक यू, एंड प्लीज़ स्टडी करो, पढ़ाई करो, अच्छे से एंजॉय करो, डोंट टेक अ स्ट्रेस, डोंट convert yourself into the too so much anxiety. So bye bye, take care.